Hi and welcome to Lesson 1 of Catalog Visibility Options, Introduction to Catalog Visibility Options. In this video about catalog visibility options for WooCommerce, I will demonstrate the functionality of this plugin and how it can help you manage your online store. Let's begin. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to WooCommerce and select Settings. Then, click the Visibility Options tab. Let's review the plugin's function. The Catalog Visibility option transforms your WooCommerce store into a catalog. It allows you to hide prices, disable purchases, and control product visibility. This is ideal if you are still configuring your store or want to showcase products without enabling sales. Here's why the plugin is useful. You can hide prices and disable the Add to Cart button. You can control visibility options for logged-in users or guests. You can showcase different products based on the user's location. You can customize the messages for prices and buttons. Now let's review the main settings. Under Purchases, you can disable or enable purchases for all users or only for logged-in users. For prices, you can show or hide prices for all users or only for logged-in users. You can customize the catalog's Add to Cart button text and the catalog price text. You can also add alternate content for users who are not logged in. Under Location Filter options, we can enable or disable location filter functionality. Location filter types include countries or states, territories. Location Selection Page is where users select their location. You can also add location selection requirements, such as requiring users to select a location. In Allow Changes to Location Selection, you can allow users to change locations after the initial selection or prevent them from changing it. Under Use Geolocations, you can choose to use or not use geolocation. For Clear Cart when location changes, you can either clear the cart when a location changes or prevent the cart from being cleared. Once these details are added, click Save Changes. Now navigate to Products and select All Products. Edit a product. Once you are in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and select Restrictions. In Product Restrictions, you can add restrictions to each product. For what locations can view this product, you can specify countries or regions that can view the product. Who can view this product allows you to specify which user roles can view this product. Who can view prices specifies which user roles can view the product prices. Now navigate to Products and select Categories. Edit a category. For product categories, you can set role visibility rules and location visibility rules. Choose the roles that can purchase in this category. Limits purchase access to specific user roles. Choose the roles that can view prices in this category. Limits price visibility to certain roles. The options under Description Visibility specify top and bottom content visibility settings. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.